I walk alone through fire and static, a hellhound heart cold and automatic. You see the teeth, you miss the ache, got scars I don't let anyone break. Scroll past me like I'm just some phase. Your world's in color, mine's just grays. You talk, I snarl, you push, I bite, but silence is louder in the middle of the night. I'm green heart, your hero, not your prize. Not such you think behind red eyes. So keep you leash, I'll burn it free. You wanna bark? Try howling with me. So howl at me, yeah. Scream like you dream. I'm not afraid to take the blame. You want that soul, you want the pain. I've been broken up in shame, but I've been wild, no one owns me. I fight back when the world gets lonely. So if you want love, then let it be. Loud, wild, ugly, howl at me. Daddy issues, yeah, I've got a list. A flare for rage and fists I've missed. I act like I don't care, but damn, I trade my claws just to give a damn. I watch the sky from the edge of hell. Dream of stars I'll never tell. You say I'm sharp, you say I'm mean. Well, soft things die when they're 17. I'm not your therapy in black. That funk you got, puppy act. So save your pity, let it rot. I'd rather be the monster you forgot. So howl at me, yeah. Scream at me. I'm not afraid to take the blame. You want the slope, you want the pain. I've been broken up in shame, but I got wild, no one knows me. I fight back when the love gets flowering. So if you want love, then let it be. Loud, wild, ugly, howl at me. And baby, I just wanna be held. Without the claws, without the shell. But hellhounds don't get lullabied. Just blood and bones and crooked lights. So howl at me, don't live for life. I'll watch your tooth with jagged claws. I'm not a pet, I'm not a queen. I was just a beast stuck in a flea. But I got wild and I run free. There's something so looked at me. So if you want love, then let it be. Roll loud, bloody, howl at me.